Ginger cough syrup. This homemade syrup is good for you, easy to make, and effective in quieting a nagging cough. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups of water. 1/4 cup fresh ginger, finely chopped. 8 sprigs fresh thyme. 1 cup raw honey. 1 fresh lemon, juiced. 1/8 tsp cayenne pepper. Directions: simmer the thyme and ginger in the water in a small pan over medium heat until the water reduces by half. Cool completely before straining the herbs. Return liquid to the pan. Whisk in honey, lemon, and cayenne pepper. Take it in 1 tablespoon dose and store the rest in an airtight container.